Hello everyone, I am Manju Pasad. Welcome to Genius Academy's YouTube channel. It's my great pleasure to announce that we are going to start with a Maths Magic series. What we are going to learn in this? We are going to teach you very easy and quick methods to do your calculations super easy. These tricks will help you to do your calculations within few seconds. In today's first episode, we are going to learn how to find squares of two-digit numbers. The only requirement for this is that you should know the squares from 1 to 9. So let's get started. So today let us start with any two-digit number, say 13. We want to find out the square of 13. So what you will do, you will first find the square of 1. It is 0, 1. We'll always write down the square in two-digit number. What is the square of 3? It is equal to 0, 9. It's very easy. Put a 0 here. Now you multiply these three numbers. So 1 into 3 into 2 is equal to 6. And we will put 6. Just add and see you get the answer. So what is your final answer? 13 square is equal to 169. So see, it is very easy. Let us take another example. Say 35 square. What you have to do is 3 square, we have to write down 0, 9. What is 5 square? We will write down it is 25. Now always put a 0 here. And what we will do, we will multiply these three numbers. 5 2s are 10, 3s are 30. So we will write down 30 here. So same we are going to continue here. Let us add. 9 plus 3 is 12 and see you get the answer. 35 square is 1225. So let us take some more examples. So let us find square of 16. So 16 square, we have to do 1 square, that is 0, 1. 6 square, 36. Let us put 0 here. And then we multiply these three numbers. 1 into 6 into 2 is 12. Let us put 12 here and add these two numbers. And we get the answer. It is 256. So final answer, 16 square is 256. Square of 23. So again 23 square. 2 square 0, 4. 3 square is 0, 9. Let us put 0 here and multiply these three numbers. So 2 into 3 into 2 is 12. Put 12 here and add these two numbers. And you get the square. It is equal to 23 square is nothing but 529. Square of 57. So 5 square 25, 7 square 49, here comes 0 and multiply these three numbers. So 5 into 7 into 2 is equal to 70. Let us put 70 here and add these two numbers. So we get the final answer, that is 3249. And therefore 57 square is 3249. Next number is 68. So 6 square 36, 8 square is 64. Let us put 0 and multiply these three numbers. So 6 into 8 into 2 is 96. Put 96 here and add two numbers. And it is so easy, we get the answer 4624. So 68 square is 4624. Next number, let us try 84. So 84 square. So 8 square 64, 4 square 16, 0 comes here and multiply three numbers. So 8 into 4 into 2 is 64. Put 64 here and add two numbers. So we get final answer 7056. So 84 square is 7056. Let us take one more. 79. So 7 square is 49. 9 square is 81. Here comes 0 and multiply 3 numbers. So 7 into 9 into 2 is 126. Put 126 here and add 2 numbers. So we get the answer, which is 6241. So 79 square is 6241. Now let us take a last example, 96 square. So 9 square is 81, 6 square 36. 0 comes here and multiply these 3 numbers. So 9 into 6 into 2 is 108. Put 108 here and add 2 numbers. And so we get the final answer, that is 9216. 96 square is 9216. So you can find all the squares within few seconds. I hope you have understood and enjoyed this video. Please like this video, subscribe to our channel and get ready for many such maths magic tricks. Thank you.